Hello bachcho, let's see this question. So here a large number of monomers combine together to form a larger molecule or macromolecule known called as polymer. Each polymer is made up of a structural repeating unit. A polymer is said to be a homopolymer if the structural unit is derived from one type of monomer unit. If the repeating structural unit of a polymer is derived from more than one different types of monomers, the polymer is said to be a copolymer. The homopolymers as well as copolymers may be formed by an addition or condensation reactions. Alkenes and dienes polymerize by addition mechanism involving carbocations, carbanions, or free radical intermediates. Dienes, for example chloroprene, polymerize by 1,4 addition mechanism to give cis or trans polymers. Natural rubber is, however, cis-polyisoprene. Natural rubber is quite soft and tacky, but these properties can be improved by a process called vulcanization. In contrast, bifunctional monomer molecules undergo condensation or step growth polymerization. Polymers which can be heated and reshaped as many times as desired are called thermoplastics, while those which can be heated only once to give a particular shape are called thermosetting polymers. Now हमारा क्वेश्चन है which is not a macromolecule, which is not a macromolecule, and हमारे पास 4 ऑप्शंस हैं. सो चारों ऑप्शंस की तरफ देखते हैं. डीएनए जो है दिस इज अ पॉलीमर ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स. पॉलीमर ऑफ न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स. नाउ न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स क्या है? न्यूक्लियोटाइड एक बायोमोलिक्यूल है जिसमें कि हम एक phosphate salt, along with this we add a sugar, and along with this we add a nitrogenous base. इन तीनों के कॉम्बिनेशन से जो फॉर्म होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड अ न्यूक्लियोटाइड. एंड एक न्यूक्लियोटाइड जो न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स होते हैं वो एक दूसरे के साथ पॉलीमराइज करके डीएनए फॉर्म करते हैं. सो डीएनए इज डीऑक्सीराइबोन्यूक्लिक एसिड which is a polymer of nucleotides. So this is a macromolecule. Clearly this is not the correct option. Now starch is a polymer of glucose. So starch, this is glucose C6H12O6, and इसमें से if we polymerize it then ये condensation polymerization show करता है and we'll get this compound C5H10O5 whole N along with this NH2O. So this is N-glucose. This is glucose. Now this is palmitate. So this is clearly not the correct option because this is a macromolecule. इसमें एक macromolecule present हो रहा है. This is starch. And then third option है palmitate. So palmitate is the conjugate base of palmitic acid. So palmitic acid is this one, CH3 CH2 whole 14 C double bond O OH. Now this is called palmitic acid. Palmitic acid dissociates to form CH3 CH2 whole 14, then C double bond O, and this is O minus, and along with this H plus. So this is palmitate ion. Now palmitate ion का, though this is a long chain hydrocarbon or long chain compound, इसमें 16 carbons एक ही chain में present है, but this has a definite molecular formula and this is not a polymer. That means this is not a macromolecule. So palmitate is not a macromolecule and is our correct option. So palmitate is not a macromolecule. Not a macromolecule. And in option D we have insulin. So अगर हम insulin की तरफ देखें, insulin is a polymer of fructose. So this is polymer of fructose. So अगर ये एक polymer है then this must be a macromolecule. So this is a macromolecule. So this is a macromolecule and this is not our correct option. So the only correct option to this question वो है हमारा option number C, that is palmitate. So palmitate is not a macromolecule and this is our correct option. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.